Want to know about HTML tags? What is HTML? How HTML works? I will teach you basic HTML. No boring theory, just the exact tags, structures and patterns procedures. We shall start with the HTML essentials: tags, structures, headings, text, image, link, order list, unorder list. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's build your fast site together. Step 1. Make your PC or phone suitable for HTML coding. We will use Chrome as a default browser and use Notepad++ as a code editor. Notepad++ is free and easy to install. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the skeleton of every website. No HTML, no website. What is HTML tag? The tag coding instructions written between the less than and greater than symbols are called HTML tags. HTML language starts HTML tag. There are two kinds of HTML tags: container tag and empty tag. The tags which have ending is called container tag. The tags have no ending is called empty tag. Starting tag is written with only the tag name inside angle brackets like this. Closing tag is written with a forward slash before the tag name like this. Here are some fundamental HTML tags and their uses. HTML tag defines the root of the entire HTML document. Head tag contains meta information about the document like its title, links to style sheets. Body tag encloses all the visible content of the web pages like text, image, links, etc. H1 to H6 tags define headings of different importance levels. P tag defines a paragraph of text. Anchor tag creates a hyperlink to link to other pages or resource. Image tag embedded an image in the document. UL tag create unordered list. OL tag create ordered list. List item tag defines a list item within list. Please subscribe this channel to get HTML full basic course. Thanks for watching.